Are there some precautions that you take when you're installing Trex depending on the direction it's laying versus the framing?
Yes. Whenever we install Trex at a parallel to the house, we install the floor joist at 16 inches on center maximum. We can go less, but maximum is a 16 inches on center. Whenever the flooring is laid at a diagonal, depending on the angle, at 45 degrees you would need 12 inches on center maximum. And obviously if you're going to increase that angle, then you have to adjust the joists accordingly.
So that minimizes the bounce in your step when the boards are at an angle. They have to span a little bit greater distance, so you're tightening up the framing. Okay, I get it. And as far as the installation of the framing goes, making sure all the joists are aligned properly. Is there anything particular with Trex in that regard?
You have to make sure that all of the floor joists are at the same elevation, at the same height as far as the rim joist, because the Trex will look a little like it's on a hill or something, like hilly, if the floor joists aren't all on the same level.
Because it'll follow the flexibility of Trex will kind of follow the joists a little bit. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. And how about ventilation concerns? We're on a site where the deck is 6 or 8 feet off the ground, so no concerns here. But if you had a low deck, are there any precautions that you have to take to make sure there's ventilation underneath the deck?
Yes, you always want to maintain proper ventilation with low decks. You don't want any like dirt or any kind of debris up against the floor joist that would impede ventilation as far as the floor joist. And you may want to increase the gap between each board to 3/8 versus doing just the standard 1/4 inch.
Okay, to again improve that airflow throughout the deck and underneath. Okay.